Working from home has become a common trend in a highly populated society where movement is challenging. Many individuals in the US today are quitting 8 to 6 jobs to find more conducive means of income. This is a great idea as it allows you to spend more time with your family and friends. Among many work-from-home companies today, Amazon remains one of the biggest. With several channels of rendering services, the company is the perfect network for anyone to key into for a well-paying online job. This video will look at the 7 best Amazon online jobs, their requirements, processes, and pay. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Are you a mother with kids to take care of and a family to cater for? Are you someone who has just lost a job and seeks other convenient ways to earn a living? Or are you just that person who needs a side hustle to complement your present job? The 7th on our list is the Amazon Associate Affiliate Program. Amazon Affiliate Program is the company's means of bringing in more customers to patronize their products. The affiliate program opens the doors for any individual to bring in more customers and earn as they do so. Using social media platforms or your blogs and other networks, you can promote Amazon's products and generate traffic to the site. They will offer you a unique link to keep track of your work in progress. Amazon pays an average of $21.15 per hour, or you earn a percentage after transactions. To begin, sign up for the program on the company's site. Next, ensure you fill in the correct details about yourself. Information like your mobile number and email address is essential. Then, follow through the processes and begin earning. The 6th on our list is Amazon's Customer Service Associates. If you are someone who can handle customers courteously and professionally, then this is for you. Using software and other communication tools, you will deliver services to the customers timely and accurately. This job needs a problem solver who can keep up with the pace of Amazon company. So aside from the passion for handling customers' needs, Amazon also needs computer-literate people for the job. As customer care is a vital part of the organization, they take this job quite seriously. So, they also offer a handsome pay of $35,000 to $40,000. For the 5th on the list, we have Amazon's Content, Communication, and Editorial Management. Like every other company, Amazon seeks out good creators and editors to join their team of writers. These individuals are responsible for crafting content, editing, and finally uploading it on the site once cross-checked. The job requires people skilled in content creation with diverse knowledge in editing and proofreading. The individual must also be customer-focused, understanding the business's need to reach out to their customers. Amazon pays an impressive amount of about $15 to $38 per hour for your work. Moving to the 4th on the list, we have the Amazon Seller Program. All you need for this exciting side job is the passion for making terrific sales and, of course, a selling strategy. Aside from these skills, you'll need to create an account on the official Amazon website. Amazon requires documents including your email address, phone number, government ID, and taxpayer information to register. You'll also need an active bank account for payment. This program pays $13.87 per hour. The 3rd on our list is an Amazon Recruiter job. The major task in this job is to bring up innovative ideas for the growth and progress of the company. It also involves working with other coordinators to recruit and train talented individuals. For this position, you'll need a good customer care orientation. You must also possess excellent communication and negotiation skills. In addition, strong analytical skills and a degree in HR boost your chances of qualifying for the position during recruitment. The job pays a minimum of $18 an hour, but it could go up to as high as $120,000 a month. The 2nd on our list is Amazon IT Support Engineering. This is another vital unit of Amazon. This department is the company's heart, as every activity flows from here. The positions for this department include IT technicians, network and network support engineers, IT system engineers, etc. The job requires foreknowledge in operational services and work experience in IT or engineering. Your biggest tasks revolve around software development and other IT-related business. For this position, the company offers $100,000 a month. And finally, we have the Amazon Flex program. This brilliant job makes it possible for you to use your vehicle to deliver goods from Amazon warehouse to customers. The most exciting part is that you can carry out this task on your schedule. The earning depends on your location, and you can start with $18 to $25 an hour. Amazon Flex makes a good side hustle for anyone to try out with its convenience. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.